Oh, do you have hiccups, my love? Oh, sweet boy. Oh, honey. Oh. You want to stretch? Oh. Good job.